I saw your street today. I walked a little slow. Your laugh was in the air from long ago. Your coffee cup was blue. You like the rainy days. I hold these little things